Here's a quick comparison between Base44 and Cursor. Base44 can make your dream into reality. You can just go ahead and add prompts, and then it will now direct you on the results for a few seconds. You can also consider yourself limitless while using this app. However, on Cursor, you can build to make extraordinary productive cursor with the best we could with AI. Unlike Base44, you don't need to add codes for you to be able to create app. But here in Cursor, you need codes for you to be able to create stash or some application that is needed. This is also magically accurate, and everywhere you can go ahead and make softwares on your end. Here is a sample of the codes that you need to enter for you to be able to use Cursor. Now, here's a table for a concise comparison. For primary function, Base44 is full stack app generation, while Cursor is code-based acceleration. For target users, Base44 are for founders and non-coders, and for Cursor are for professional developers. For environment and control, Base44 are all-in-one cloud platform, while Cursor is local or familiar IDE. Now, if you want a friendly start AI generation launch, you can go ahead and use Base44. But if you're professional for codes and also a developer for computer, you can use Cursor AI.